Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to propagate and grow your wandering Jew plant or Tradescantia zebrina plant from cuttings. So I got these cuttings from a friend, so my mom's friend actually, and I wanted to grow or have one in my collection. I didn't have that. Wandering Jew plant typically grow really fast, so it will fill up this pot in 1-2 years really much, because they really typically grow really fast. I have another variety called Tradescantia Rohi or something like that. It's called Moses in Cradle, something like that. I will show. I have a picture on top here, and I grew these from cuttings as well. I had an original plant and it was really leggy, so I just chopped it off and then grew those from cuttings instead, because I wanted to have a healthy plant rather than a leggy one. So this is the wandering Jew plant. I really love this plant just because the leaves have kind of like that purple in the middle and purple on the sides, and then silver in between, and a purple leaf at the back. But with this plant as well, it shimmers. It has like shimmering on the leaves. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it does have like shimmer. This is all the leaves. So but another thing with this plant is that the more light it gets, the less gaps there's between the leaves, and the more healthy and more sturdy the plant will be. And here you go, my cat is here now. And the more light it gets, the more purple the plant will be as well. So the person I got this plant from didn't have half of the plant in light and half of the plant in less light, because their plant is really big. So that part was not in that much light, so that's greener than this part, because this part has been in more light than this part. And to grow Tradescantia zebrina or wandering Jew plant from cutting, you really need to just cut below a node. My cat is just... So a node is where the leaf grows, and you just cut it from the node, below a node, and then you take the leaves off, and then you just put it in water, because water propagation is always successful for me rather than directly soil propagation, which some of you can do, and if you're successful, you're successful. But for me, I'm successful with water propagation first and then soil, and I think it's ready to be planted now. So for this cutting, there was a node underneath this leaf, and there was 2 leaves here. There was a node here as well, and you can see there I put that in water circa 4 or 5 days ago. So in 5 days it has grown some roots. Let me just try and show you. You can see this is a root below. There was a node below that leaf. There's no roots here, but it's another set of roots down here. With these cuttings as well, there isn't that much root with these one, but there are like some bits, so I just started them. And for this one, there's another roots here as well. Same with all of the cuttings. I've got many cuttings here. Like this is a root. So you just need to kind of have that plant or the cutting in water, and make sure that water or the node is in the water instead, and make sure there's no leaves in the water like that, or else the leaves will just rot. Mine didn't have any leaves in the water. It was just that it was just floating when I just picked it up right now to plant it in the soil. So I'm just using, for the soil mix, I'm just gonna use normal soil, which is this cocoa peat, perlite for drainage, for well draining mix, some sand, just normal houseplant mix which I use. And I'm gonna post a video about how I actually make my houseplant mix. So to just plant, just make some holes in the soil with something. I've just got a kitchen knife because I didn't have anything else on hand right now. So I'm just gonna use this to make some holes. You can pre-moist that soil as well, but it's up to you. So just keep watching when I'm doing that. how you plant and propagate your Tradescantia plant. I planted these in just different random positions, and this long one I just pinned it down so that the more nodes the soil touches, the more stems it will grow, the plant will grow. So this is where I will end this video. So this is how you plant your Tradescantia zebrina, and I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.